Embarking on a cruise is a unique travel experience that demands a specific kind of packing strategy. The right suitcase isn't just a container, it is a mobile closet that ensures your seabound sanctuary remains orderly, efficient, and ready for every port of call. Today I will show you the top luggage of cruise.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Swissgear Sion luggage. The Swissgear Sion is a classic choice for the cruiser who appreciates the flexibility of a soft-side build. Known for its rugged polyester fabric, this luggage is designed to endure the stacking and sorting that happens behind the scenes on a massive ship. One of its most cruise-friendly features is its expandable capacity, which allows you to bring home those inevitable souvenirs from Caribbean markets or Mediterranean boutiques. The Sion's front access pockets are perfect for tucking away your boarding passes and cruise cards during the embarkation process. Inside, a removable wet bag keeps damp swimwear separate from your evening attire, a small but vital detail for life on the water. Its 360-degree spinner wheels ensure that even when fully loaded with formal wear and extra shoes, the bag glides effortlessly across the plush carpets of the ship's corridors. On number 2, we have Merax Luggage. For travelers who prefer the sleek protection of a hard shell, Merax offers a blend of modern aesthetics and lightweight durability. These suitcases are typically crafted from impact-resistant materials that protect your belongings from the occasional bumps of transit. The Merax design philosophy emphasizes a clean, organized interior, often featuring mesh dividers and elasticated straps that keep your outfits perfectly folded despite the movement of the ship. Many Merax sets also include a smaller weekender bag or a matching vanity case that can be attached to the telescoping handle, making it easy to carry your essentials onto the Lido deck before your main luggage arrives at your stateroom. The vibrant color options also serve a functional purpose, making your bags easy to spot among the thousands of others in the terminal's luggage hall on the final morning of the trip. On number 3, we have Hanke Luggage. Hanke has carved out a niche for the sophisticated traveler by focusing on innovative entry points and high-grade materials. Many Hanke models feature a unique top-loading or front-opening design, which is a game-changer in the cramped quarters of a cruise cabin. Instead of needing to lay your suitcase flat and open it like a clamshell, which can take up the entire floor, you can access your items from a vertical position. Made from extra-strong ABS material, this luggage is built for durability, while remaining lightweight. The textured finish helps resist scratches, keeping it looking new for longer. The set includes a 20-inch carry-on that meets domestic travel size requirements, along with 24-inch and 28-inch spinner suitcases, perfect for maximizing packing space on longer trips. For added convenience, all suitcases are neatly nested inside one another for easy storage. With its sleek and modern design, this luggage adds a stylish touch wherever you travel. Its compact and versatile build makes it easy to use, even in limited spaces. Equipped with 4 silent, multi-directional double spinner wheels, the suitcase glides effortlessly in any direction. It stays upright while being pushed, pulled, or maneuvered, ensuring smooth and hassle-free movement. So these are some of the best luggage to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.